Before the printing press, knowledge was a precious commodity, carefully guarded and slowly disseminated. Imagine a world where books were rare treasures, painstakingly copied by hand. This was the reality for centuries, limiting access to information and hindering the spread of ideas. The printing press shattered this paradigm, democratizing knowledge and igniting a revolution that would reshape the world. The advent of the printing press marked a profound shift in human history. Suddenly, the power to disseminate information was within reach of a wider population. This newfound accessibility to the written word fueled the Renaissance, sparked the scientific revolution, and laid the foundation for modern society. Before the printing press, the laborious task of copying texts fell upon scribes, who were the unsung heroes of their time. These dedicated individuals, often monks cloistered in monasteries, spent countless hours, days, and even years hunched over parchment, meticulously replicating each letter, word, and illustration with unwavering precision. The process was incredibly time-consuming, prone to human error, and significantly limited the availability of books to a privileged few, making each manuscript a rare and valuable treasure. The scarcity of books meant that knowledge remained largely confined to the elite, the clergy, the wealthy, and the scholarly, who had the means to commission these works. The ability to read and write was a mark of status, further reinforcing the existing social hierarchy and creating a divide between the literate and the illiterate. The invention of the printing press, however, held the revolutionary promise of dismantling these barriers, making knowledge accessible to the masses, and empowering individuals with the ability to learn, explore, and share ideas on an unprecedented scale. Johannes Gutenberg, a German goldsmith and inventor, is credited with inventing the printing press with movable type around 1440. This invention marked a pivotal moment in history, transforming the way information was disseminated and making books more accessible to the masses. Gutenberg's groundbreaking invention combined existing technologies such as the screw press and the concept of movable type to create a revolutionary system for mass-producing text. This system allowed for the rapid and efficient production of books, pamphlets, and other printed materials, which had previously been painstakingly copied by hand.
His key innovation was the development of durable metal type that could be easily cast and arranged to form words, lines, and pages. This metal type was not only reusable, but also provided a level of precision and consistency that was unmatched by earlier methods.
Gutenberg's printing press consisted of a number of components that worked together in harmony. Each part played a crucial role in the printing process, ensuring that the final product was of high quality. First, individual letters were cast in metal using molds. This process allowed for the creation of uniform and durable typefaces. These letters were then arranged into words and lines within a composing stick. The composing stick helped typesetters maintain alignment and spacing, which was essential for readability. The assembled lines of type were locked into a frame called a form, which was then inked and pressed against paper. This process was repeated to produce multiple copies, revolutionizing the way information was shared and consumed. Gutenberg's printing press was a marvel of engineering for its time, revolutionizing the way information was disseminated. The press itself was a large, heavy wooden structure operated by a system of levers and screws, showcasing the ingenuity of early mechanical design. The type was made of a lead alloy, which was durable enough to withstand repeated use, ensuring consistency and longevity in printing. The ink, a mixture of oil and pigment, was carefully applied to the type using leather-covered pads, a meticulous process that required skill and precision. The printing process was a carefully orchestrated dance of precision and timing, involving multiple steps and coordinated efforts. Each sheet of paper had to be carefully aligned with the form to ensure accurate printing, a task that demanded attention to detail. The press operator would then apply pressure using the lever, transferring the ink from the type to the paper, a moment of transformation. The printed sheets would then be hung to dry, ready for binding and distribution, completing the journey from idea to tangible product.